Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to Fashion World and happy Eid celebration to all our Muslim fashionistas on this platform. In the spirit of the celebration, that is what inspires today's video, as those guys are rolling by one after the other. Check this very one on your screen. You can see this beautiful black styles rolling by your screen. Is lovely, terrific, awesome, beautiful, captivating, and as you can see, this style is for every woman regardless of your body type or preference of styles. This style perfectly fits you, and the rest of the styles rolling by on your screen are also gorgeous, beautiful styles that you all are going to find highly irresistible. Just endeavor to watch this very video from the beginning till the very last style, and you will be glad you did. You know, one thing that we pride ourselves of on this platform is that we always bring to you styles that exude modest, that bring out comfort, finesse, poise, and swag in you. The styles that will make you to command respect wherever you find yourself. They are not just random styles that will make people to look at you with disdain wherever you find yourself. There are styles that will command respect, that will make people to look at you and appreciate the feminism that you bring to any gathering wherever you find yourself. Just enjoy this lovely video we brought to you today from the beginning to the end, and don't let it be for your eyes alone. Endeavor to share with family and friends for also even to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the globe. All props and credits in this video goes to those iconic fashion designers who put all this together for us to showcase to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Are you new to this platform? You are most definitely welcome to that broad spectrum on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform, and give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comments section. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you happy celebration, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, all sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.